quadratic equations. Today we will study about nature of roots. General form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant term. The quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The value of b square minus 4ac decides the nature of roots, and it is called discriminant, and it is denoted by b is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now, nature of roots: if b square minus 4ac वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 0, अगर इसकी वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 0 है, देन two roots are distinct, अलग अलग होंगे, and real. If यदि b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू 0, इसकी वैल्यू अगर 0 आ गई, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की d 0 आ गया, देन टू रूट्स आर इक्वल एंड रियल. इफ b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज लेस देन 0, अगर वैल्यू नेगेटिव आई, देन नो रियल रूट्स, कोई रियल रूट नहीं होंगे. इट इज अ इमेजिनरी रूट्स, और यू कैन से दैट इमेजिनरी रूट्स, नो रियल रूट्स. सो इन दिस केस वी कैन राइट नो रियल रूट्स. सो आई विल टेक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन of exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4, question number first: find the nature of roots. Find nature of roots. If roots exist, then find the roots. Now, first part: 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 5. So nature of roots, we find the value of b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 3 का square. What is 8? 2. c is 5. So it is 9 minus 840. 4 to the 8, 8 5 to 40, and it is minus 31. So it is less than 0. b square minus 4ac is less than 0. We say that roots does not exist, or no real roots. b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Now I will take second part. Three x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, and c is equal to 4. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, C is constant term. Now check the value of b square minus 4ac. Here b is equal to minus 4 root 3 का whole square minus 4, a is 3, c is 4. So 4 4 is 16 into 3, 48 minus 4 3 is 12, 4 is 48 is equal to 0. It means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So roots are equal. Two roots are equal. So we find the roots by quadratic formula. We know that x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now putting the values, what is b? Minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 plus minus, and what is the value of this? What is the value of this is 0. So put it here, 0 upon 2 into a. What is a? A is 3. So minus minus is plus, x is equal to 4 upon root 3, 2 into 3. So this will cancel out, or you can say that this will cancel out, or this is also cancel out. So x is equal to 2 by root 3. Other roots also, second root also 2 by root 3. Two roots are equal. Question 2, first part, find the value of k. Find value of k. They have two equal roots given to you. Roots are equal. Roots are equal. Find the value of k in quadratic equation. Quadratic equation first is given to you, 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here a is what? 2, b is coefficient of x, k, c is constant term 3. Roots are equal. It means condition is given to you, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 given to you. Now putting the values, b is k का whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. You will get k square minus 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 24, minus 24 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24, k is equal to plus minus root 24, or you can write plus minus, it is 4 6 are 24, 4 का रूट बार आ गया 2 root 6. Now I will take second part. Condition is same, roots are equal. Kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now make it quadratic equation, multiply this, kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Here a is what? Here a is k, b is coefficient of x, that is minus 2k, and c is constant term. C is constant term. A is k, b is minus 2k, and c is 6. The condition is given to you, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Putting the values, minus 2k ka square minus 4, a is k and c is 6 is equal to 0. It is 4k square minus 4 6 are 24k is equal to 0. So one value is k is 0, or you can say that 4k square is equal to 24. K cancel out. This 4k is equal to 24. This will cut. k is equal to 6 and one value is 0. Question number 4. Is the following situation possible? Is following situation is possible? If yes, determine the ages. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. Given sum of ages of two friends be 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 4 years ago. Product is 48. Product is 48. Sum of two ages of friends are this. Let age of first friend be x years, second friend be 20 minus x years. 20 minus x years. Because sum is 20. If you plus it, you will get 20. Now, according to question, 4 years ago, age, the product of ages is 4 years ago. फर्स्ट फ्रेंड एज कितनी हो जाएगी x माइनस 4. सेकेंड फ्रेंड एज कितनी हो जाएगी 20 माइनस एक्स माइनस 4. दोनों का प्रोडक्ट इनटू क्या दिया हुआ है 48. नाउ x माइनस 4 16 minus x is equal to 48. Now multiplied it. 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. Transpose all to that side. So it is x square or x square and plus plus minus 20x plus 4 or plus 16 minus 20x and minus 64 goes there, added in 48, it will become 112 is equal to 0. Now here a is what? A is 1, b is minus 20 and c is 112. Now check the condition. First we check the condition, nature of roots. B square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 20 का square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 112. 20 का square 400 minus 2 4s are 8, 4, 4. So it is minus 48. It is negative less than 0. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we say that no real roots. कोई भी real roots नहीं होंगे. No real roots. The situation is not possible. That is not possible. Now, another question I will take, question number 5. Is it possible, again you have to check, is it possible to design a rectangular park? There is a rectangular park whose perimeter is given to you 80 and area is given to you 400 meters square. Find length and breadth. Find length, breadth. Now, length I will take x, breadth I will take y. So, what is the parameter? We know that what is the parameter? Parameter is equal to 2x plus y is equal to parameter 2 into length plus breadth into this. Now putting the values 2x plus y is equal to 80. This will cancel out. This is 40. X plus y is equal to 40. This is first equation. Now area is what? xy. xy is equal to 400. Now from here we can find the value of y. y is 400 upon x. This is equation 2. इसको 1 में रख दीजिए. Put value of y in 1. Put 2 in 1. We get y is again x plus 400 upon x is equal to 40. Now take LCM x, so it becomes x square plus 400 is equal to 40x. Now transpose it. 40x को इधर ले आइए, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कर दीजिए. x स्क्वायर माइनस 40x प्लस 400 is equal to 0. Now check the nature of roots. So a is 1, b is minus 40, b is minus 40 and c is 400. So b square minus 4ac. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. Minus 40 whole square minus 4 a1 c 400 1600 minus 4 into 4 1600. This will cancel out 0. It means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots कैसे होंगे? Roots are equal. So we know that x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equal to minus b minus minus 40. This is already 0 and 2 into a is 1. So x is equal to 40 upon 2. It means 20. So roots are 20 comma 20. Here you can see that it is a direct a minus b whole square. You can see that here you can write x minus 20 का whole square is equal to 0 and you will get x is equal to 20. But we have to check the nature of roots. Nature of roots. If the question is asking nature of roots are exist or not, nature of roots exist